But for fathers in New Jersey, it could now be a privilege and not a right. This week, a Superior Court published the ruling that a woman can bar a father from the delivery room. Eyewitness News New Jersey reporter Cleve Bryan has more.
A New Jersey court decision makes it clear it may take two to tango, but not to give birth.
It's well established under federal and state law that there's a privacy right when a woman is in labor and giving birth.
Rutgers professor and family law expert Sally Goldfarb says a Passaic County judge made the right call last November. In his decision, which was published this week, he sided with a pregnant woman that her ex-fiance had no legal right to be in the delivery room.
What this man was seeking to do was really interfere with the woman's ability to exercise her own choices about giving birth in privacy, and that, to me, falls outside of the rights that a father is legitimately entitled to.
In the decision, believed to be the first of its kind, the father was also told he doesn't have a right to know when the baby's born.
I think it's a sad day for fathers and for fathers and men's rights.
Jeff Golden from Fathers and Children's Equality worries that this sort of ruling paves the way for some fathers to be nothing more than visitors and paychecks to their own children.
A child is born, a child has two parents, and there should be two equal parents.
Women we met have mixed feelings.
Obviously, she's delivering the baby, but the father is also a part of the baby's life, so I feel like he should be there too.
If she wants her mom there or a coach or whoever, that's fine, but you know, the man should at least be notified. I feel like that's a right that a man should have.
I spoke to the lawyer for the father in this case, who says that the two parents were able to work out an acceptable arrangement, so there will not be an appeal. But our experts say, much like Roe versus Wade, there could be future challenges from unhappy fathers. In Camden, I'm Cleve Bryan,
could
CBS
be
3.
kept out of the delivery room in New Jersey. In a decision released this week, a judge ruled pregnant women can block the biological father of their children from entering the delivery room.
The ruling stems from the case of a couple who got engaged after the woman became pregnant but later broke up, and that father sued for the right to be present at the birth of the child, though a judge disagreed.
That's according to Superior Court Judge Sohail Mohammed. The case started back in November when Stephen Plotnick sued to get Rebecca DeLucia to inform him when she went into labor. He wanted access to the baby when it was born. The two went to court the same day DeLucia went into labor and gave birth to a baby girl. Mohammed ruled that day all patients, including pregnant women, can decide who can be at their hospital bedside. The decision was released on Monday. The Star-Ledger explains Mohammed based his opinion on two landmark abortion cases, Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey. Mohammed wrote, any interest a father has before the child's birth is subordinate to the mother's interests since it's the woman carrying the baby to term. NPR's Jennifer Ludden explains the judge ruled that requiring the father's presence would pose unwarranted strain on the mother. Essentially, the decision asserts a father has no legal right to be in the delivery room. But not everyone agrees. Some groups say the ruling is discriminating against fathers, making it seem that they are nothing more than visitors.
It's a sad day for fathers and for fathers and men's rights. A child is born, a child has two parents, and there should be two equal parents.
According to headlines in Global News, Plotnick will not appeal the decision. He was able to see the baby soon after she was born.
Yeah. Has she yelled at you yet for getting her pregnant?
No.
No? Sometimes they do that.
Oh, man, I don't understand this. I mean, women have been having babies for thousands of years. You think it'd get easier?
Yeah. All bets are off.
I mean, here's this person you completely care about who's going through this experience, and all I can do is just stand there. I mean, I can't. There's nothing I can do. I mean, and even if there was, I don't think she'd let me.
Help her?
Yeah. I mean, you know what's really weird? This doesn't hurt me at all. I mean, not even this much.
Sorry. You know, everybody makes this big deal about us being with them, but we're not with them. I mean, how can we be with them?
I mean, after she has the kid, is it always going to be like this? I mean, her birth, her baby?
Yeah.